Hi, I'm Reggie Helderman, the producer of Django Unchained, and I'm with Samuel L. Jackson, one of the world's greatest actors, and also one of the stars of Django Unchained. And we're here holding the first of the Django Unchained comic books. Django Unchained, an extraordinary comic book drawn by R.M. Gura, one of the best artists on the medium right now. If you read Scout, and if you don't, what are you doing? He drew that book, and now he's drawing Django Unchained for us. Awesome. This is the first issue. Sam, you just checked it out. What do you think?
It's all right. I'm not in it. Because I haven't reached that damn reached the point in the story where I'm in it yet. But it's a dope-ass comic book. If you're not reading it, you need to get on board.
So, if you're smart, you listen to whatever Samuel L. Jackson says. And you
send me money. Send me money.
That too. I send Sam money whenever I can.
All the time.
and please check out Django Unchained, the movie, the comic book, and every other medium you happen to see this incredible character on. Thanks so much.
Get the soundtrack, do the whole thing.
Oh my God.
Get the soundtrack and read this comic at the same time. Whoa.
Total immersion.
Total.
Because everyone who sees a movie has to think about it overnight and then go see it again.
Right.
So you might as well have the comic so you can see all the scenes that weren't in the movie.
That's true.
Because the comic book is completely uncut.
Yeah, a lot of stuff in the comic book that's not in the movie.
A lot of stuff.
Especially my good stuff.
Yes, some of Sam's favorite stuff is in the comic book. So please, for your own sake. Because why should you be deprived? Django the comic.
Won't be able to live with yourself if you don't.
Reggie's World. ReggiesWorld.com. Check it out.